Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Crash Bandicoot 2-player. First, it is important to understand that the original Crash Bandicoot 2, Cortex Strikes Back, was developed as a single-player experience. This means there is no built-in option for two people to play simultaneously. Any attempt to create a two-player mode would involve unofficial fan-made modifications or specific emulator features, which we will explore. While the game itself does not support two players, certain emulators can simulate a shared experience. For instance, some emulators allow you to map two controllers to the same player one input, letting two people share control. Alternatively, you could take turns playing, passing the controller back and forth. True fan-made two-player mods are extremely uncommon for this specific title, requiring significant technical skill to implement. Attempting to force a two-player mode presents several challenges. The game's camera system, for example, is fixed on Crash, making it difficult for a second player to see or navigate effectively. Furthermore, levels are meticulously designed for a single protagonist, meaning enemy encounters and platforming sections would not scale well for two characters. Unofficial modifications can also introduce bugs or instability to your game. If you are looking for an official two-player Crash Bandicoot experience, consider exploring other titles in the franchise. Games such as Crash Team Racing Nitro Fueled offer fantastic competitive racing for up to 4 players. Crash Bash provides a variety of arena-style minigames designed specifically for multiple players to enjoy together. These games deliver a true multiplayer experience without needing any unofficial modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.